Okay, hey guys, this is a demo that I actually recorded with the camcorder, and then I couldn't get the camcorder to connect with the computer, so I'm re-recording with this camera. So, as you can see, I've got a terminal here, and hold the terminal here. I'm trying to hold this steady, guys. And got a client over here on this. And no, I don't have a client over here. I'm gonna have to open one. So I know what client I'm gonna use. Alright. What I'm gonna demonstrate today are two servers. This is stable branch. Two servers talking to each other and how fast this goes. Alright, so first of all I'm going to start this over here. And I'm going to start it with the B flag, which means browserless or background. It doesn't open a web browser. I've already got one open that I can just refresh that has the correct settings in it. Starting up our servers over here. The Orchard server actually is composed of several smaller servers that are running a threaded environment. And as you can see, I refreshed. You can see the HTTP requests here, the WebSocket BCP requests. It's important to remember, everything speaks BCP. This server talking to this client that's running in a regular web browser here, that's hosted with a real HTTP server within the main server. Alright? It's talking over WebSocket to this, but the protocol over the WebSocket is BCP, which is the same language spoken from server to server in Federation. Alright? Let's take a shot at this. First thing we gotta do is we gotta figure out what our local address is here. .100. Alright. First three numbers are pretty much standard for local subnets. I mean, 192.168.1.x. You know? So, the only part I really have to remember is 100, which is really good because I'm not that great with numbers. And it looks like that's the last command I ran in this terminal window, actually, so I don't have to type a thing. Lucky me. Alright. And it's also not got the B flag, which is tremendous because I don't have a browser window. Alright. Starting that up. Opening a browser window. Boom. And I got the little blinky. I got the little blinky in my Tint 2. This is ConcurrenTree Linux here, so that's how it indicates. And there we go. I got that going here. And the peers are connected. It's got this terminal server written in Python talking to this instance over here. They're talking to each other. So that means any change on one of these clients, it'll go to the server, to the server, to this client. And they'll all sync up. And it goes pretty fast. So, I'm going to insert something at position 0. And I am not a very mature person. So I am going to start off with this. Alright, and I'm going to move these closer so you can see how fast this synchronizes. This is the document here. This is the document over here. These will both update when I hit this insert button, and it'll happen in less than 300 milliseconds. Bam. Alright, that's how fast sync is. Now it is over a LAN. I acknowledge that. So, it's going to be quicker than over, like, a long distance to China internet connection, but it's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's still really fast, and it works both ways, obviously. So I'm going to insert over here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, typo, I forgot the T. Anyways, you get the idea. Thanks for watching, guys. It does support deletions also, but I'm too lazy to show that. So, if you want to try this technology out on your own, stable branch. Don't pull master. You never know what you're going to get. Stable branch.